How to reset Temu password. If you're wondering how to reset Temu password, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So you can open Temu either through your browser or through the app itself. I'm just going to open it on my browser here. So go to www.temu.com. And then click on your profile icon right here. And you'll see at the bottom it says settings. So click on that. Now once you click on settings, you'll see account security at the very first option. So go ahead and click on that. So you'll see next to password it has the sign edit next to it. So click on edit and then go ahead and click your old password. And then go ahead and type in your new password. So once you've typed in both your old password and your new password, go ahead and click submit right here. And if you forgot your password, you can always click forgot password as well. And if you do that, it will send a code to your email and you can just type in the code and you'll be able to change your password. But I've typed it in, so I'm just going to click submit. And you can see that I have successfully changed my password.